Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to add or change group picture on Facebook Messenger. First of all, before getting started, make sure that you've updated the Facebook Messenger application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then let's get started with the video. So first of all, open up your Messenger application. Once you open up your Messenger application, open up your group chat. Now this is the particular group chat that I want to add or change a group picture on. So in order to change, all you have to do is tap on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, next you'll have to tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, from the drop down menu, you have to tap on change group photo. As soon as you tap on it, once again there's a pop-up. All you have to do is you'll have to select either one of these options. In case you want to take a picture, and in case if you want to choose it from the gallery, just tap on choose photos. So after that, all the picture that is stored on the gallery will be loaded. So from here, you'll have to select the image that you want to add it to your group picture. And once you select your group picture, tap on the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to manage the resolution, so after that tap on save. Once you're done, as you can see that the group picture has been added, and this is how you can add or change group picture on Facebook Messenger. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.